I've put my hair through a lot recently. I have not brushed, combed, or added product in the past few days, so it's extremely tangled. Having 4C hair, which is the curliest, kinkiest hair type, is difficult to detangle, especially when it's dried out like this. Yeah. To see how I take this neglected mess to, well, plumped up hair and a sleek, low ponytail, keep watching. This is a good time to hit that subscribe button and the notification button to see every time I post a new video. I should mention that I am extremely lazy when it comes to styling, and I'm always seeking the easiest way to style my natural hair. Here's my easy, lazy girl steps to detangle, wash, and style my hair. Step 1. Condition, condition, condition. I apply conditioner to my hair while it's dry. Yes, dry. I'm using Sebastian Trench moisturizing conditioner to coat my hair since it's extremely dry and tangled. This is a great way to detangle your hair without stressing out your strands. Add moisture and create stronger hair, resulting in less breakage. I'm finger detangling my hair. You can use a wide tooth comb, paddle brush, or wet brush to help you through this process. Be sure to detangle from the end of your hair to the root. This process is called Pre Poo. I like using this method because it cuts my time in half for hair washing. You will see a clear difference in your curl pattern from being dried out to nice and bouncy. I use It's a 10 Hair Care Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In. It is an amazing detangler and protects against frizz. It also adds a silky feel and a glossy shine. I also really like that it has a spray pump allowing for easy application. For our third conditioner, add a generous amount of Cantu shea butter, which is great for natural hair or chemically treated hair. It strengthens fragile hair, reduces frizz, and adds moisture. Using my favorite paddle brush to further detangle and smooth my hair, you can separate your hair into 2 sections using a rat tail comb and securing each section with a goodie hairband. I like these elastics because they do not tug or snap at your hair. Smoothing my hair into sections with a boar bristle brush is preferred since they do not tear your hair. You can even use a boar bristle brush to gently massage your scalp, which increases blood flow and thicker hair. Next, I'm using Eco Styler with argan oil. This works incredibly well on my hair. It keeps my hair down all day, but I really like this, so definitely check this out, try it. Smooth a generous amount of Eco Styler all over the top section of your hair. When you're satisfied with that, you can remove the elastic to fully saturate your hair or the section that you're working on. When you've saturated both sections of your hair with the gel, combine the 2 sections together behind your head. I'm just going to let this play out a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. I further define my center part using more gel and a rat tail comb. All the tools and products that I've used in this video will be linked below, but you should definitely check out my blog. It's my first proper blog post, and I welcome you to leave comments in the blog. Share this video with a friend and feel free to play it back so you can follow along. Say hi.
Hi. I can see myself. Are you in your PJ still?
Yeah.
Why are you still in your PJ this morning?
I didn't want to put on my good clothes just yet. You can rock your own ponytail or attach a drawstring ponytail or even a long braid, and you're done. Today I chose a long braid. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a tutorial on how I actually attach this braid and also this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with a friend. Okay, bye.